Today I'll show you how to make ebi furai, deep fried shrimps coated in panko. Start by peeling the prawns. Insert the tip of the knife so that it is between the meat and the skin of the prawn. Gently guide the tip until it reaches the opposite end. Next, cut off the head of the shrimp and using the fingers, peel the prawn, leaving the tail in place. Once ready, we're gonna divide the prawn. An easy way to do this is with a toothpick. Simply insert it underneath and pull upwards. The last step before preparing the batter is to make a few small cuts on the underside of the shrimp. This helps to prevent the shrimp from rolling up when frying. Let's get to the batter. In a bowl, add the milk, the egg, the flour, salt, and a pinch of pepper. Mix until everything is well combined. Once ready, dip the prawn in the batter. Let the excess batter drip off and transfer it to the plate with a panko. Press the panko lightly on the prawn so that it sticks and repeat with the rest of the prawns. Now, it's time to leave the prawns to rest for about 30 minutes at room temperature and up to 4 hours in the fridge. In a deep fryer, pan or wok, add the oil. Heat until it reaches 117 degrees Celsius and add the prawns. I like to do it in sets of 4. If we add too many prawns at the same time, they will not fry correctly. It is very important to control the temperature. If the oil is too hot, it will burn the prawns. If it's too low, the prawns will end up soggy and oily. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.